MICHELEPEARL here with a comparison review wearing ATHENA in 6101GR and the unboxing of a new style for me, Hannah by Henry Margu in the color 6101GR. And let's take a look at that beautiful cap construction, carefully crafted with that beautiful temple to temple lace front. Full monofilament top going all the way back. And these velvet covered bendable ear tabs, focusing in on that velvet covered extended nape and the Velcro adjusters. Spliced in hairs at those bendable ear tabs and an open wefted cap. Very tightly woven. The craftsmanship on this cap is exceptional, as is the fibers, free-flowing, feathery, and oh so realistic. The ear tab coverage is snug and secure with these sturdy metal stays. Viewing from all sides. Exquisite lace front, which speaks for itself, along with the impeccable stitching. And here we have the beautiful ATHENA, also in the color 6101GR. Another gorgeous style from Henry Margu. Also impressive, equally so, in my opinion. But never mind what I say, you be the judge. There is some permatease in both these styles, just enough to support the style. And now for the switcheroo. Moving right along to ATHENA, also in 6101GR. And be advised that both these wigs fit an average head circumference, 22 inches, give or take. My head circumference is 21.70 and both fit me beautifully. And here we have Hannah on our right and on our left, ATHENA. Check out that rooting. So artfully blended. And now for a brief tutorial. This Henry Margu Hannah wig in 6101GR is just gorgeous. What I would like to show you though is how to effectuate a little bit of a lift right in this area. So that's what we'll be doing next. If you're thinking of applying any steam, this is an idea to protect the lace front from any steam. All I did was put a wig grip in the front covering the lace so it's protected from the steam, even though it's only going to be for 3 seconds. Fantastic. So if you want to steam her off your face or your forehead area, you can. Thank you for joining me on this review of the new Henna in 6101 GR and a revisit to one of my faves, Athena, also in 6101 GR. As a reminder, please join us at the Wig Studio 1 private Facebook group, Wig Topper and Support Group. Until we meet again in the next video.